Today we're doing a very quick unboxing of new headphones from Jabra. As you know, headphones can be quite delicate little things. So if you feel like you need a set that are everything but bulletproof, these ones from Jabra just might be right for the job. These are the Elite 8 Active Earbud headphones. Now, they claim to be the world's toughest earbuds, passing all the tests for the US military standard for ruggedized electronics. Yes, that's a thing. Now, that standard covers everything from humidity and high temperature to rain and altitude. They are completely watertight when submerged up to 1.5 meters and are IP68 rated. So that means they are also fully dust-proof and waterproof. Now, Jabra are quick to point out that while the Elite 8 Active Earbuds are tough, sound quality and aesthetics have not suffered. So as you can see here, they look pretty much like other earbud headphones. They're nice, compact, light, nice design, and they will stay in your ears. Now, the Elite 8 Active Earbuds will give you around 8 hours of playback time, plus with the charging case you get another 24 hours, so if you do the maths you're getting up to 32 hours if you're starting with a completely charged up case and charged up headphones. Inside the box, of course, you will find a charging cable and, of course, different size earbuds because all of our ears are different. Now, these tough earbuds will set you back $329 from your favourite electronics retailer. Or check out the Jabra website, and of course don't forget to download the app that goes with the headphones to get the most out of them.